Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your corrupted mp4 or video files from your ps4. Let's jump to it. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and active the bell button to receive every new Here, as you see, the file isn't working and not showing anything. If you have the same problem, then follow my steps, it's not that hard. You'll need to download Format Factory to fix your file. Now open the program and drag the mp4 file in. Then choose mp4 again or mkv. I recommend mp4 because mkv is too big. Click Start. Congrats, your file has been fixed. Let me try the Format Factory file to check if it works. Works great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.